Hi guys, my name is Isaiah Siegel. I live in Eldoret, so this is my car. I'm at Rheingold Motors. I've been having problems with my car and I've just been searching around to look for somebody who can actually fix my issues. Previously been referred to the local guys, you know, Watuamta, such kind of stuff, but then it hasn't been working well. I got a chance to hook up with the BMW Owners Kenya online, that was IG. And I just dropped my chart of desperation, like I'm looking for somebody who can actually fix my problems because the engine light was actually flashing on the dashboard. So somebody got back to me and I was referred to Rheingold Motors here at Karen. And yeah, I drove all the way yesterday, all the way from Eldoret, took an off day from work. So I arrived here around midday and they did a diagnosis and found that we had an issue with the NOx sensor and oxygen sensors. Then so they did a breakdown of the diagnosis and the costing and such kind of stuff. So actually you get to have a feel, the economic feeling of what actually you are about to spend, plus everything, the labor, such kind of stuff. So the one thing I like is that my car is being fixed. I should be driving back, I think, in the afternoon. Everything is ready, they're just doing the final touches. The one thing that we're actually looking out for is customer experience. Personally, I also work in the customer experience field. So the speed of accuracy in terms of detection of what actually is the issue, what we call diagnosis, and the speed of fixing things, that's the most important and crucial thing because we've got errands to do and such kind of stuff. And you want to be sure that you're leaving your car. Actually, it's a very expensive machine, so you don't want to give it to anybody, is it? Yeah, so you need to be careful. And if you're looking out for a place to come and bring out your car for diagnosis and it being fixed, this is the place, Karen, Rheingold Motors. Please hook up and let's all enjoy our babies. 320i, baby. Cheers.